Hey YouTube, Mr. Slush here. I wanted to bring you out here to take a look at my water harvesting system. This is a portion of the east side of my house where I've got quite a bit of different things planted together. There's the sand cherry I did some mound layerings on with the banana. I've got some roses here. That's a dwarf Namwa banana. This is a really neat microclimate. It stays pretty warm in this particular area where that moringa is there. That moringa is 2 years old and I've never protected it, and it lasted all winter just fine. So if you saw my moringa video where I said if you put it in a microclimate it very well could survive, and this one has, and it's just right up next to the house, and I just continually cut it back. You can see it's getting up there past the gutter, and so I just like to utilize the leaves as an extra source of fertilizer in this area. And typically wherever the moringa grows, it just makes excellent soil, so I like to keep it there and just use it. There's a nice artichoke there. But the main reason for this video is to show you part of my water collection. I've got 4 55-gallon barrels here that I've daisied together. I've got a little spigot on the bottom of the end one, and so they're all connected via these PVC chain at the bottom, and then I've got an overflow coming off the first one that will actually go down and water the moringa once they're overflow, and they're full at this point. I've got them connected to the house with some of that plumber's tape, I guess you would call it, the metal tape that they would hang various items with. I've got a straight downspout coming down with the gutter on the east part of my house here, and so that's one of my rainwater harvesting catchment systems here that I can utilize to water this little zone right back here in the back part of my property. I've got another larger one here. This is a nice little microclimate back here as well, really shaded back in this area. I've got a larger water catchment that I've got here. This is 8 55-gallon barrels, so roughly what, 400, a little over 400 gallons, and these are daisied all the way around. As you can see, these 4, I've got the spigot there on the right side, and then if you can see over here, they're all spigoted, they're all daisied together, and then I've got the downspout coming down to the first one from up there. I've got that gutter running all the way back. That's my rear porch there, and so it runs all the way back and catches all that water and fills these barrels up. So I ordered a whole bunch of little bulkhead fittings. I think they were 1/2-inch bulkhead fittings on eBay. There's several videos on getting a line with a nut or a weight on it to fish down, cutting the holes out and putting the bulkheads in. It's just a matter of doing a little bit of PVC work and putting a spigot in, but with that I've got quite a bit of pressure coming out of it, and I can easily water. This is my front yard here. I've got a Nagami kumquat on the other side of that jasmine vine there, and blood oranges over there, and several other fruit trees I've got just right out there I can water, or I can water these huge oleanders, but the oleanders really don't need a whole lot of water. They're just more or less a privacy hedge here. So I just wanted to share my water collection with you and just show you that it's easy to collect 500, 600, 700 gallons and then just use that for your little areas wherever is nearby, or filling up water containers and taking it elsewhere, and it's nothing better than rainwater. So hope you have a great day, and thanks for watching, and God bless. Take care. Bye bye.